Okay guys, so as promised, I've decided to separate the videos. So in this video, I will show you how I created an ad using in Canva from scratch, and I've incorporated a lot of animations and so forth. And I have kept it simple, I've included animations, I've added music and so forth, but I've kept it simple, okay? But I think before you watch this video, you should look at this video up here before we continue, because I did not start directly from scratch. So I'm just basically continuing, okay? So the first video showed you how I use Canva templates and I just changed it up a bit. And the second video, well, this video will basically show you how I just use Canva from just use a blank template and just add photos and made a video. Simple like that. Okay guys, so in this quick tutorial, I just want to show you how I sort of create that ad for men for my jewelry products, okay? So basically what I want to advertise are some men hand bracelets that I actually want to push out this summer. All right, so these are nothing special, but what I did is by combing through Canva and look for pictures with black men, because where I am from, the people are predominantly black people, okay? So it doesn't make sense you advertising to black people and you put in pictures of white. We don't discriminate, we're not racist. It's just that I want them to be able to say, okay, yes, I can visualize myself in this bracelet, wearing this bracelet, okay? So basically, I want to reach out to the working class men, and someone is holding a wine. It's around now is graduation, you have ball and whatever going on right now. I guess you guys will say prom, we say ball. And so yeah, I just want to put in my video. So let me look for my videos or pictures for my bracelets, okay? Okay, so what I will do basically is remove this image. And as I said, we're not racist. I just want to select the best picture for my jewelry. So this will be a lovely picture to start with. Okay. And what we'll do is go into elements, and I will look for a phone frame like this one. Turn it into place just like that, and you pull it around across. It doesn't have to be perfect, as long as it's sort of lined up and is covering the original phone at the bottom like this. All right, so from here we'll go back into folders and select. This is already starting to look great, guys. So what I will do is speed up this video while I look for more photos for me to use in the project, okay? What I did is simply, duplicated the pages and simply inserted the pictures like this. Okay, so I actually hope this work. I've never tried an ad like this, but I actually hope it's work. I prefer where they can actually see all the items, but let us see. how it looks. Okay, so let us go into dissolve and just have them dissolve, all of them. Just click on, sorry, dissolve for all of them. Okay, so we are not done as yet. So I actually want to end where the guy is actually looking at his phone and happy. And he will say, I must order this now. Right, so we can do two things. I think, okay, so what I will do is simply insert text here. Right? Order yes now. Okay, so that is what we will put here. And you know I like to use my red because it stands out. But let us put a background to this. Go into effects and click on here and get a color that pops. And of course we go into animate and get something like that. All right. And of course what we'll do is go into elements and bring this over here. It's a little bigger. Let me zoom up. Right, it's a little bigger. I want it to be larger. Right. I will go back into my uploads and select the best image. This is the best one. Yeah, the one I actually want to push. So what we'll do is, of course, click on this, copy, and bring it over here. Paste this. And have it like, whoa. Okay, so we're saying whoa. Okay, so he's saying whoa. And smiling. So he's happy. Okay, so what we'll do is keep our transition consistent. Right, dissolve all the way through. Okay, and what we'll do, did we animate this? No, I would like to animate this picture. So we'll animate this image here by, should we zoom in? Okay, let's do a slide movement. Yeah, so we will do that. I think that will work. And let us use an audio. Let us go into audio and select something really nice. Okay guys, so now that I've picked my music, I will go back in and simply animate this. Animate the pictures, okay? I just want the photo, not the page. Just the photo to be animated. Okay, so I don't like the animation. I was just hoping to have, right, okay, now we're talking. Okay, we have this, which is a photo flow, and we will animate this one here. Animate this. Right, so we will rise up. I like the rise. It is nice and subtle, so we will work with that one. Let us go into animate again, and I don't like the pop. I like the rise, so we can probably rise like this. Yes. Okay, now we're smoking. We are smoking, so let us go into rise again, and we pan another direction. That is cool. Okay, go to animate. Well, this one already animated, but we'll leave it just like this. Should we animate the picture? Well, let's animate the picture as well. So we will animate the picture as well, like this one. Nah, don't like it. Okay, and we will animate the photo here. And you guys know I like the flow, so I'll stick with the flow for this one. Right, the intensity, not gradual. I want it nice and quick, and right. This is cool. This is wonderful. Okay, so what I will do now, today Canva seems like it is messing up big time, so I'll just download this. I will go into share and download. Make sure you have the file type selected as MPV video, because that is what you want. I will not put a logo on this. You can, if you like, you can put a logo and all that jazz, but I will not put a logo on this. And yeah, so everything's already selected here, and you just select done and download, and you wait for your video to download. Easy and simple. So guys, I hope you actually learned from the video today, and you actually saw how simple it was to create an ad using Canva. Okay, so if you want to know how you can advertise your ad on Facebook, or a simple boost, I want to say is advertise a simple boost basically, then watch this video right now. Until we meet again, we could be good.